Hey everyone, ever wondered how the apps you use daily are created or how websites function so smoothly? Well, it all starts with one thing, programming. And today I'm diving into the fascinating world of programming, perfect for you beginners out there. So, let's get started. First off, what is programming? Simply put, it's the process of designing and building an executable computer program to accomplish a specific computing result or to perform a particular task. Think of it like giving your computer a set of instructions to follow, and these instructions are what we call code. Now, the languages we use to write this code can vary. For those of you just starting out, I'd recommend languages like Python, Java, or C++. Why Python? Because it's super easy to learn and really clear to read. Here, let me show you a basic example. In Python, to print hello world, you just type Python print hello world, and voila, that's it. Moving on, let's talk about the building blocks of programming. These include variables, data types, loops, conditional statements, and functions. For instance, if you wanted to calculate the sum of two numbers in Java, you'd write something like this: Java public class sum calculator. This snippet is a simple example of using variables in a basic function. Next up, algorithmic thinking. It's all about breaking down problems into smaller, manageable steps and solving them effectively. Imagine you need to find the maximum number in a list. You'd start by comparing each number to find the highest one. It's logical, step-by-step problem solving. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? Sometimes things go wrong, and that's where debugging comes in. It's the process of finding and fixing errors in your code. Let's say you accidentally divide by 0 in Python, num1 equals sign, 10 num2 equals sign 0, result equals sign num1, num2 print result. You'll get a 0 division error, and fixing these errors is crucial for making your program work smoothly. So, wrapping up, programming is not just about coding. It's a way to think logically, solve problems, and make cool stuff. Whether it's games, apps, or websites, programming powers it all. And remember, every programmer started just where you are right now. So grab your computer, start coding, and who knows, you might just create the next big thing. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in more tech insights or tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Catch you in the next video. Keep coding, keep creating.